How to change country or region on Amazon. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Amazon, or you can simply move into any of the web browser and then move into the official site of Amazon. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, now click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tons of different options will be visible to you. If you scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see the option of Country. Click on it. Right now you can see the country is set to United States. If you need to change it, click on this arrow icon. Tons of different country or the region will be available to you. From here, choose the specific one that you want to set. Let me choose France for now. Once you've selected, you need to click on Go to Website. And there you go, the country or the region has been changed successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.